to find a company that not only provided you with the information you pay for, which is futures trading, to get the support and the family environment around you, I was very surprised, but it just makes trading that much easier. And like I said, in an 18-month journey, to be at the level that I am is a great result. This is our graduation, basically. That's why we've got the white shirts on. So I've gone in 18 months from the lowest course to this year the highest course. And this morning, trading my session, I got 120 ticks. It's really given me great overall breadth, I guess, to my character and my personality. But on the side, I've also learned to trade, so it's been great.